Hey guys, it's Landon Blake from Redefine Horizons. This is the last video in the little set of videos we did to show you how to design an 8.5 by 11 PDF form in Inkscape. This is the form I set up for the billing instructions. And if you watched the last video, you saw that we decided to make a single sheet for each phase. So we don't really need this information on the cover sheet now. So we're going to change this cover sheet a little bit. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to come in and pull this phase information off to the side because we don't need that anymore. And then what I want to do now is, what I'm going to do here is just give a list of the phases for this project and indicate to the billing person if we need to do something with that phase or not on this particular invoice. So to do that, we are going to just copy this set of entities here, and we'll come over here and we're going to say phases to bill, and we're going to just put the phase number here. So this is going to be number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6, and that will cover 6 phases. Will cover 90% of my projects. So the way we will set this up is you're just going to check this box if you want to do something with that phase. Okay, and so on the other form I changed, these are a little too thick, so I'm going to change them to 2/10 of an inch. Okay, and then we'll go ahead and pull these over. We can drop the phase name in here. Okay, and then I got a little room down here at the bottom. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to need to add our colon there. I'm going to go ahead and copy this section here, and I'm going to pull this down. And we obviously got too much there. And this I'm going to just call special instructions. And we're going to delete these now because we don't need them. And we'll get rid of this. And we can pull these over. So this will allow me, this section will allow me to add any special instructions for the billing person. So for example, if I want to prepare a cover letter to go with the bill, or if we need to wait for if she needs to wait for my notification before she sends the bill, we can put that in the special instructions now. Okay, so we're going to save that. I think it looks good. Save a PDF. We'll pull that open, show you guys how it looks. Okay, so this is the cover sheet that we just made. Put your information for your job in here, check the box and let them know what phases you're going to bill, provide any special instructions, and then we'll have one of these forms we made for the phase, each phase in the job that's going to get billed, put in the information for the phase, and then give the instructions. What are we doing with the time that hasn't been billed? Got a room for we got some room for comments here, and then the description of the work to be performed that's going to be put on the invoice. And you'll notice here I went in and actually I added this little This is just to show the type of the sheet. So this is billing instructions for the phase. I actually need to add that to the cover as well. So, but those are pretty good to being done. And now you know how to create forms for PDF and Inkscape. And then if I get the itch to scratch, I'll pop these into Nitro PDF as my PDF editor, and I'll show you how to actually set these up as PDF forms that you can just type in.